Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this key fob. This is out of a 2022 MDX. You don't need any tools, but you do need one of these replacement batteries. This takes one of these 2032s. You can get these off Amazon, they're really inexpensive. And there's a link below in the description that will take you straight there. Okay, so first thing you want to do is this portion right here needs to slide out. So there's a button right here. Press that in nice and firm and slide that out. Now right here, this slot, insert your key in here, just give it a gentle little twist, and then this pulls up like that. And you can take your key, put it right here, and just gently pry that battery out. Take your new battery, place it in like that, make sure it clicks in here. And then this just hinges back in like that. Give it a squeeze, put your key back in, press the lock button, make sure you're good to go. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.